If you've ever struggled with your dive mask fogging up, then you're on the right video. We're going to show you how to fix it for good, no gimmicks, just real world solutions that work for us. The winning combo is anti-fog film, defog spray, and it works every time. It's simple, it's consistent, and we never ever struggle with fogging issues. If you're new here, this is Generations Below. We're a father-son dive team. We're not instructors, we're not pros, just everyday divers sharing our tips, tricks, and gear reviews. Let's start with why mask fog happens in the first place. When your warm face meets cold water, condensation forms on the inside of the mask. That fog builds fast if you've got oils, sunscreen, dirt, or imperfections on your lenses. And even a little bit of nose breathing during the dive can make it a lot worse. I know, because I'm a horrible nose breather. And if you've got a brand new dive mask, it's even more likely that it's gonna fog really bad. That's because new masks come from the factory with a thin film on the glass that needs to be removed. Let's get into mask prep. There are 3 common ways to prep a brand new mask. First, the pre-made cleaners like Scuba or other pre-bought defog specific scrubs. They're great, they work, but we found that they're not really necessary because we use the second method, the toothpaste method. This is our go-to, tried and true. Just grab a non-gel toothpaste and gently scrub and rub, like buff it into the inside of the mask lens. It's simple, safe, and effective on most tempered glass masks. Third, there's the good old school method of burning the lens with a lighter. It works, it removes that film fast. You can watch it come off, but it's super risky. And more importantly, you should never use this method on a mask with a coated lens. On coated lenses, some high-end masks like this Tusa Paragon-esque, they come with a special coating on the inside of the lens that's applied at the factory. If you try to scrub that or burn it off, you're gonna ruin this expensive mask. That's why we like to use these anti-fog film strips. They're completely customizable. You just trim it to fit. It installs in a couple minutes, and these things work fantastic. Tusa is not the only brand that makes these. I think you can get them on Amazon for like $5 or $6 a piece. I've had one on this entire dive season. It's probably got 60 dives on it. They will start to get a little bit yellow as they get older, but as cheap as they are and as effective as they are, they're definitely worth it. We use them. None of this works without a good pre-dive routine. Once your mask is prepped, you still need to apply something before every single dive. Here's the most common options that you'll see. Baby shampoo or diluted baby shampoo. It's cheap and effective, and if you've ever been on a dive boat and they're walking around spraying everybody's masks down with the squirt bottle, that's what it is, just diluted baby shampoo, and it works. You also have these pre-made defog sprays. They're convenient, reliable, they fit in your BC. I use this spit spray. It also comes in a gel. That's what Gunner likes to use. When this runs out, I'll just fill it back up with diluted baby shampoo so that it can just stay in my dive bag or in my BC. There's also the old hot Tua method. People use actual spit. They'll take and spit in the lens of their mask, rub it around and buff it on there. It works, it's just not for us. For us, the winning combo is anti-fog film, defog spray, and it works every time. It's simple, it's consistent, and we never ever struggle with fogging issues. Okay, quick overview. If you're starting with a brand new mask, prep it right. Use the toothpaste method to remove the factory film and any imperfections or impurities. If it's got a coated lens, skip the scrub and just clean it, rinse it, and then apply the anti-fog film. And before every dive, hit your mask with either some pre-made defog spray or diluted baby shampoo. And this isn't a once and forget it type of thing. You got to do it before every dive. Also, don't let your mask just bounce around in your dive bag. Keep it protected with something. I put mine in one of these snowboarding goggles cases. These are super cheap. You can get them on Amazon for like $20 and they'll keep your dive mask nice and secure. If you've got a trick that I didn't mention in here, drop it in the comments and we might even do a test video on it to see how it works. I've got some new masks laying around. If you've got a question about dive masks or anything else, leave those down in the comments section too. I might make a video addressing your exact question. Guys, if this video is helpful, smash that subscribe button, because next up we're gonna show you how to buy a proper fitting dive mask the first time so that you don't spend a small fortune on a half dozen masks like I did. If you're new to the channel, here's something awesome. We also hide real treasure underwater. We call it the hunt. Find one of our coins and scan the QR code on the back and you win actual high-end dive gear from brands that we trust. You can check out those treasure drops and the clues to where to find the coins right here on the channel. Go check them out. The hunt is on. Guys, if this video was helpful, so none of this works without a good pre-dive routine. None of this works without a good pre-dive routine. There's also the old hot Tusa method. Okay. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments section. I might make a video. Guys, if this video was helpful, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if this video was helpful, what is going on over here?